Hello students, this is Usha. Today we are going to learn about Adobe Photoshop. Children, you might have noticed the photographs in marriage albums, magazines or catalogs of any cosmetic company are much different from the common pictures you click daily. A normal looking person looks beautiful, dull skin turns bright, wrinkles disappears from the face of old, and eventually a person looks better than actual. Can you imagine how it all happens? Well, this alteration is made possible with the Photoshop software. Adobe Photoshop, popularly known as Photoshop, is a graphic editing program developed by Adobe System. Photoshop is widely used by millions of graphic artists, web developers, photographers, as well as persons who use it for pleasure. Most of the posters, magazine covers, book covers, brochures, etc. are created or edited with Photoshop. Because of the popularity of this software, it has been accepted as an industry standard for graphic professionals, and it's regarded as one of the easily killer application. Easy. Let's know more. The credit for the invention of Adobe Photoshop goes to Thomas Knoll. The first version of Photoshop in 1987, known as program. Features of Photoshop: revised user-friendly interface, photo editing or photo manipulation in lesser time and with little effort, redesigned powerful tools to enhance or change the color of an image by adjusting the brightness and contrast, color balance, hue and saturation levels, curves, etc. Crop and resize pictures without losing the quality of an image. Photoshop provides various options along with the crop tool to make it work even better. Remove the unwanted object from the picture using the vanishing point tool. Click and drag across an image to make fast selection with the new quick selection tool. Create graphics for web applications with reduced file size, thereby helping in faster loading of the website. Files can be compressed by 10 to 15% of its original size. We can also make animated graphics, that is GIF files. Layer effects preserve the original state of an image while manipulating another version of it. Following are the various selection tools in Photoshop. First, rectangular marquee tool. It is used to select an image or a part of in a rectangular, square, or as row, column that is 1 pixel wide. Click on the rectangular marquee tool in the tools panel. The cursor appears as a crosshair sign. Place the cursor on the image. Click and hold the left mouse button and then drag out of marquee to select the required part of the picture. You will notice the dashed border has covered the selected object as shown in figure. Now right click on the image layer and select rasterize layer. Press the delete key. Notice that the selected part of the image is deleted. Tip: do not save the edited image as it will spoil the original one. Know the fact: a selected area is indicated on the screen by the blinking selection border called marquee. Selection tool. Next one, lasso tool. The lasso tool is bunch of 3 very useful tools used for the freehand selection: lasso tool, polygon tool, then magnetic lasso tool. Follow these steps to select the part of the image using the lasso tools. Open any image. Click on the tiny white triangle on the lasso tool icon. Right click on the icon or right click on the icon. The 3 types of the lasso tool will appear. You can select any one. First, using lasso tool. Select the lasso tool. Choose one of the selection options from the option bar. Click and drag the mouse around the part of the image to be selected and mark the selection. Release the mouse at the end point after selecting. You will notice the selection as shown in the figure. The selected part will appear separately. Next one, using polygonal lasso tool. It helps to make freehand selection, but contour is made up of straight segments. Select the polygonal lasso tool. Specify the option using the option bar. Click on the image at any point near the object to be outlined. Click at the position where you want the first straight segment to end. Keep clicking to set next endpoints of the subsequent segments until the whole object is outlined. See the picture? Now the picture is selected. Close the contour by clicking at the starting point. Don't release in between. Quick view. When using either lasso or polygonal lasso tools, you can toggle between the two by pressing Alt key. Lasso tool using magnetic. Third one, using magnetic lasso tool. When you use the tool, the border snaps edge. The magnetic lasso tool is especially useful for quickly selecting objects with complex edges. Select the magnetic lasso tool. Click on any part of the image to be selected and drag the mouse pointer around the object to select it. You will find this tool drops fastening points along the edges. Continue this process till you reach the starting point or double click at the ending point. See the below picture. Observe the selection as shown in figure. Next, quick selection tool. This tool is used to for quick selection. As you drag the mouse, the selection explains outward and follows the defined edges in the image. The quick selection tool is useful for selecting the parts of an image which requires great precision to reach. Drag the mouse to make the desired selection. Note, if the quick selection tool does not appear in the tools panel, right click on the magic wand tool and select the quick selection tool. Let's know more. To add the floating panel or panel group to an icon, drag it in by its tab or title bar. Panel automatically collapse to icons when added into a icon dock. Quick selection tool, that is next one is magic wand tool. It is used to select adjacent area with same color. Click on the magic wand tool. The pointer changes into symbol. Click on any part of the image. All the adjacent area of pixel having the same color will be selected as shown in the figure. On selecting the magic wand tool, the options bar displays the following options. Tolerance determines the color range. Higher the tolerance, wider will be the range of the selected pixels. Anti-alias produces a smooth edge by partially filling the edge. Contiguous limits the selection to adjacent pixels only. While unchecking the option, all the pixels in the image within the same tolerance range will be. Quick view. The magic wand tool can make and merge selection if shift key. Then move tool. This tool is used to drag selected part of an image to a new location in the image. Open any image and select the part to be moved. Next, using marquee tool, we mark the image. The selected image. Select the move tool from the tools panel or press V. The pointer change to be less. While holding the left mouse button, drag the selected image to the point where you want to place it and release the mouse button. Notice the change as shown in the picture given below. Tips: to copy a selected part of an image within the same image, press Alt key while dragging the selection. To copy a selected part of an image to another image, use the Edit, Copy and Edit Paste options. Cropping tool. It is used to select a specified area that you want to focus on and removes the unwanted parts in the image. Open any image, select the crop tool from the tools panel or press C. The pointer changes to the cropping symbol. While holding the left mouse button, drag it across the picture to make a rectangular selection. Release the mouse button when the selection is completed. The selected part of an image within your selection is known as the cropping area. The area outside the cropped area appears dark. This is called shield. To finish the cropping process, double-click inside the selection or press Enter key. You will find that the selected image is cropped. Photoshop provides a variety of crop options in the option bar. There are perspective crop tool, slice tool, slice select tool, like that. Let's know more. Cropping is the process of removing portion of a photo to create focus on strength than a original. The slice tool is used to divide an image into multiple rectangular. These slices can be easily moved, resized, aligned and optimized individually as separate files. After you create a slice, you can select it by using the Slice Select tool. Quick view. You can press the Escape key or click the Cancel button in the option bar to cancel the cropping of an image. Common painting tool in Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is basically an image editing and retouching software, but we can also create artworks by using painting tools like gradient, paint bucket, 3D material drop, like that. Gradient tool. The gradient tool allows you to fill an area with a range of colors in a specified pattern. It creates a blend of two or more colors. Gradients of color can be filled with linear, radial, angle, reflected and diamond. Open an image with the help of a magnetic wand tool. Select the area with the tolerance editing tool. Select the gradient tool from the tools panel. Click on the drop down arrow of the gradient picker and select the desired gradient from the displayed options. You can also edit the gradient. To do so, right click on the gradient picker from the options bar. The gradient editor dialog box will appear. Select the Chrome gradient option and click on OK button. Now select the linear gradient from the option bar. Click and drag the mouse pointer in the selected area. Notice that the selected gradient gets applied on the selected area. Press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. Paint bucket tool. It is used to fill an image or a part with different colors based on the tolerance or a range of colors. Open an image. With the help of magnetic wand tool, select the image area with the tolerance setting of 90. Select the paint bucket tool from the tools panel and set the tolerance to 100 to paint the whole selection. Click on the set foreground color option. The color picker dialog box will appear. Select any color of your choice, for example pink, and click on OK. Now click on the selected area of the image. The color of the selected area will change into pink. See the picture? Let's know more. You can easily change the brush tip size of the quick selection tool by clicking the brush picker drop down menu in the option bar. You can also press the right bracket to increase and left bracket for decrease the size. I hope all are understand the session well. Practice it in your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.